Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a tribal necklace remix. I attempted this project last season with jewelry wire, and I really wasn't impressed with the way that it came out. And then I saw this one, the black one with the shells, and that gave me an inspiration to do another one, but using African bone beads. So in order to make a stronger version of the tribal necklace, I decided to use a wire wreath ring, and you can find these in any craft store and even the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going ahead and I am removing the circle rings from each other, removing this wire that connects them. And then I'm also going to be cutting the wire where it's kind of indented. And then I'm going to be using wooden pieces that I've already pre-cut in order to design the necklace. So for this project, I decided to use a total of 3 rings with 3 different sizes, and I'm going to have them all interlayer inside each ring, and you'll see more as the tutorial goes on, but I'm just laying them out just to see how much gap or space I have in between the rings, so that way the wooden pieces that I use to put on the rings to see how much space I have in between, just to make sure it's a good fit. So here are the African bone beads that I am using. I got these from Etsy. You can probably get these pretty much anywhere, but if you're interested, I can leave the link below. And I thought they were really beautiful, and I really like the size of them. And to me, it helped give my necklace a more Afrocentric look. And as you can see here, the project is pretty simple once you remove the rings. And I am just taking the African bone beads as well as wooden beads that I spray painted. And it's the same process as I did in the previous video. I spray painted wooden beads in different sizes, and I'm just threading them through the wire metal. These are the same wooden teardrop shapes that I used in the previous project. I used that and a little bit more for this project because I'm using a bigger ring. And you can pretty much get these teardrop shapes at any craft store. So I use that in a hole puncher, so that way they can insert easily on the ring. I will say, although I think this project is pretty simple and easy, the most tedious part of this project is just wrapping the black string or ribbon around the metal part. That's probably the most time-consuming part of the project. So here is my travel necklace remix. I think it came out a lot better, at least I like it. You guys can let me know in the comment section, but it's a lot more sturdy than the previous one. So let me know if you try it, if you include the same thing, and I'll see you guys next week.